Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Sa layo sa kalampusan sa matagtunghaan, there's always been a backbone of support, strategy, and services given. Mao kinigikan sa ato ang mga division offices. Apan pangutan na, yun sa pagmugna ang mga division offices. Well, it established a mandate coming from Republic Act 9155 or the Governance of Basic Education Act of 2001 na nag-empower sa Department of Education to establish local offices. And just by recently, August 1, 2025, Department Memorandum Number 62 Series 2025 was disseminated. Kani siya na memorandum, nagklaro dito og a unified, specified criteria on how to establish division offices. And also through that memorandum, naanatay unom ka bag-o na division offices ang Department of Education, namely Division Office of Tagbilaran City, Division Office of Canlaon City, Division Office of Antipolo City, Division Office of Talisay City, Negros Occidental, Division Office of Carmona City, and Division Office of Batangas City. Of course, napurma man siya ng mga division offices because of a law na nag-create og bag-ong mga syudad. Unsa ang organizational structure sa division office? Under Defed Order 52 Series 2015, 3 division ng Osaka Division Office, namely the OSDS headed by the Schools Division Superintendent, the CID, and the SGOD. OSDS, under niya ang Office of the Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Administrative Unit, Finance, Legal, and ICT. Under Finance, nadiha ang ato ang Accounting and Budget. Under Administrative or Administration, nadiha ang Personnel, Cash, Records, Supply, and General Services. While ang CID, headed by the Chief, nato makita ang ato ang mga Education Program Supervisors, ang ato ang mga Subject Supervisors, and the PSDSS or the Public Schools District Supervisors. While sa SGOD, under niya sa Chief ang M&E, SOCMU, Planning and Research, HRD, Education Facility Section, and the Health and Nutrition Section. Schools Division Offices are classified into small, medium, large, and very large. Now, kung saan ito pag-difference sa small from the rest of the division? Small division, walay SOCMO or Socialization and Mobilization sa SGOD. Wala po'y PSDSS. Sa una, wala po'y legal officer. But just recently, ipangtagaan na gyud tanang division offices, including small division. Now, large and very large division, commonly na sila duha or tulo ka buok Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, just like the Cebu Province Division. I hope this video helped us understand sa organizational structures of Osaka Division offices. And if you want to learn more about educational law, please follow, like, and share for more updates. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.